We were told that coding was the ultimate skill. But as we approach 2026, we have to face the music. Writing code has become a commodity. If your value is just translating logic into Python or JavaScript, you are competing with an AI that doesn't sleep, doesn't need a visa, and produces 10,000 lines of code per second. To be indispensable in the global market, you need to look where the crowd isn't. You need to look at the foundation, the systems that actually fuel the world. 1. Stop being a coder. Start being a systems architect. The junior dev role, as we knew it, is dead. AI can handle the syntax. Your job now is to verify, orchestrate, and architect. You aren't just building apps anymore. You are managing massive intelligence pipelines. Understanding how data flows through a complex system is now infinitely more important than memorizing a library's API. 2. The efficiency renaissance and the bare metal advantage. For decades, the industry lived in a world where we sacrificed performance for convenience. We chose slow languages because developer time was expensive and compute was cheap. But that reality has flipped entirely as we enter 2026. Today, compute is the most expensive resource on the planet, with the cost of training LLMs and running global-scale simulations reaching millions of dollars. This shift has triggered a massive resurgence in high-performance computing, where the low-level skills often labeled as legacy are now the most valuable. The elite engineers of this era aren't those building bloated, memory-hungry applications. They are the ones who can optimize a kernel, manage GPU memory with precision, and write code that runs at the speed of hardware. By mastering the fundamentals of parallel computing and memory management, you gain control over the heart of the most advanced AI libraries, the high-performance engines that Python and other high-level languages rely on. Understanding the bare metal is no longer an old-school niche. It is the absolute frontier of modern engineering. 3. Your global passport, building in public. In this first truly borderless era of tech, your competition is global, but so is your opportunity. To stand out, you must move beyond learning in silence and embrace the build in public philosophy, where your digital footprint becomes your most powerful credential. Your GitHub profile should function as a living portfolio that tells a story of contribution, showcasing merged pull requests in major open-source projects or personal repositories where you have solved a specific, complex bottleneck. A single optimization that saves a company compute time is worth more than any traditional degree. Beyond the code, platforms like X, Twitter, have become the modern networking hub for the global engineering elite. By sharing your technical deep dives, your ideas, and your research progress, you bypass traditional gatekeepers and speak directly to the community. When you solve hard computation problems rather than building another generic to-do app and share those solutions with the world, you prove that you are not just another coder, but a high-performance engineer ready for the global market. So, don't fear the AI revolution. Lead the performance revolution. While the majority of the world is distracted by the magic of AI, your focus should remain on the math and the hardware that make that magic possible. The most future-proof engineer is not the one who knows the most languages, but the one who understands the systems of the past well enough to architect the speed of the future.